Hello, welcome back to Tutorial channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to sign out Skype for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start. I think it's very simple way to step in to log out or sign out for your Skype. And the first thing you must do it, you can go to the Skype application. And don't forget to must get about the latest version of the Skype. And after that, for the next step, you can go to the symbol in the upper here, and actually it has your symbol for the nickname. Tap on here, and for the next step too, it's very simple way. There is a have a sign out option in the upper of the right corner. It means if you tap in, you cannot choose sign out for your Skype account. Tap on for it if you want to it. Tap on. And for the tap for the remember account and application settings on this device, you can click the yes if you want. If you can click no if you don't. I want to tap on for the no. And now the Skype is logged out, and actually this tutorial is done to you. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, I think you see now to how to sign on off the Skype on Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Enjoy for this video. Have a nice day and bye.